3 professional certificates, 3 different approaches, but one common goal: getting you job ready for project management career in just 3 to 4 months. Google's got over 2 million enrolled students. IBM offers CAPM exam prep, and Microsoft provides a 50% discount on their certification exam. But here's what the enrollment numbers don't tell you: which one actually matches how you learn best and what your career goals are. Today, I'm breaking down the Google, IBM, and Microsoft Project Management professional certificates, plus the specialized courses that'll set you apart in this growing field with 380,000 plus job openings nationwide. Let's start with the heavyweight. Google's Project Management certificate has more than 2 million enrolled students for a reason. What makes this stand out isn't just Google's brand recognition, it's that 75% of graduates report a positive career outcome within 6 months, and you could directly apply for jobs with Google and over 150 employers, including Deloitte, Target, and Verizon. What differentiates Google's 7-course series is their heavy emphasis on AI integration. You'll learn how to use AI for creating project charters, identifying risk, and improving communications. Plus, you're getting over 140 hours of instruction with hundreds of practice-based assessment. This is perfect if you're someone who learns by doing real scenarios rather than just theory. You'll build actual project documentation, practice Agile and Scrum methodologies, and the capstone project includes a 40-hour real-world simulation. It's not the best choice if you're specifically targeting the PMP certification pathway. Google focuses more on practical skills than exam prep. Now, if certification is your goal, IBM's approach is completely different. This 8-course series helps you get job ready with 0 prior experience required, but here's the key differentiator: it's specifically designed to prepare you for the CAPM exam. IBM's strength is in comprehensive project management fundamentals. You'll develop project charters, RACI matrices, stakeholder analysis, project budgets, risk registers, and work with tools like ZenHub for agile planning. The capstone project walks you through solving a fictional business problem as a project manager from start to finish. This is your best bet if you want traditional project management credentials that hiring managers immediately recognize. The CAPM preparation gives you a clear certification pathway that many employers specifically look for. It's less ideal if you're more interested in modern tech-forward approaches or if you learn better with bite-sized content rather than comprehensive deep dives. Microsoft takes a unique angle. They're betting on Excel proficiency and PMP exam preparation. Here's what sets this 9-course series apart. You get a 50% discount voucher for the actual MO210 certification exam. Microsoft's approach is heavily focused on using Excel for project scheduling, data analysis, and visualization. If you're in an organization that lives and breathes Microsoft tools, this gives you immediately applicable skills. You'll work through the full project lifecycle using Excel as your primary tool. The program includes a mock PMP exam that mimics the actual PMI authorized format, so you're getting serious certification prep. This is perfect if your target companies are Microsoft heavy environments or if you specifically want that PMP certification pathway. It's less suitable if you're looking for modern project management tools beyond the Microsoft ecosystem. Now, once you have your foundation, these supporting certificates can make you incredibly valuable in specific scenarios. The IBM IT Project Manager certificate builds perfectly on the foundational IBM certificate if you're targeting technology companies. You'll learn IT-specific project challenges, working with development teams, and managing technical requirements. Prerequisites include basic project management knowledge, so it's a natural next step after the foundational program. If your foundational learning showed that Agile is your sweet spot, the IBM IT Scrum Master certificate specializes you in Scrum methodology. You'll become the person who can lead sprint planning, manage backlogs, and coach teams through Agile transformations. High demand in tech companies and increasingly in traditional industries going digital, the Microsoft Program Management certificate is the natural progression from Microsoft's Project Management certificate. It focuses on managing multiple related projects simultaneously. Essential skills for senior PM roles. You'll learn portfolio management, program governance, and strategic alignment. The beauty of these certificates is they're designed for working professionals. Consistency beats intensity. Also, join the discussion forums. The networking alone can be worth the enrollment fee. Practice the tools as you learn them. Don't just watch the Excel tutorials. Actually build those project schedules. Apply the frameworks to a current project at work, even if it's organizing a team lunch. Ready to make your move? Here's my recommendation. If you're unsure which program fits your learning style best, start with Coursera Plus. You can sample multiple courses, see which teaching approach clicks with you, then commit to the full certificate. Coursera Plus also gives you access to all the supporting certificates I mentioned, so you can keep building specialized skills after your foundation. In just a few months, you could be the person coordinating cross-functional teams, managing million-dollar budgets, and solving the problems that keep executives up at night. That's the reality of project management when you have the right skills. Links to explore all these programs are in the description below. What's your biggest question about making this career transition? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them, and I often turn them into future videos. So what industry are you hoping to manage projects in? Let me know below, and I'll make sure to cover industry-specific tips in upcoming videos.